Hello everybody, Darth's Cards here. Gonna be opening some OP-05 One Piece TCG today. It's my last 3 packs of this booster box. So let's get to it. There's a leader card in there. Don Quixote do Flamingo, Maynard, Sterry, Captain McKinley, Gamma Knife, Imperial Energy Hormone, Rico Doldo III, Let Us Begin the World of Violence, Imperio Ivankov, Sabo Leader Card, Virgo, and Hina. On to the second one. St. Charlos, Sanguru, Bunny Joe, Gladys, Bellamy, Dragonclaw, St. Rosward, Upper Yard, Trafalgar Law, One-Legged Toy Soldier, Fire Fist, and Satori. Alright, last pack of the whole box. So let's see what we get. Oh, there's the Don card and the leader. Let's get to it, see what we get. Sarkis, Buffalo, Dalmatian, Basil Hawkins, Mary Joy, Birdcage, Hotori, Monet, Don Quixote Rosinante, Leader, Zorojuro, one of my favorite characters, X-Drake, and Your Turn, Kaido and Luffy. It's a nice one. All right, well, that concludes that booster box. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.